name is Rutuja Sudarshan Kale. Today's date is 11th September 2024. Today's topic is access modifiers in Java. There are two types of access modifiers in Java: access modifier and non-access modifiers. Access modifier in Java is to specify the accessibility or scope of the field, method, level of field, constructor or class. We can change access modifier, the level of field and constructor, method and class by applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of access modifiers in Java. There are first is the private, second is the public, third is the protected, and fourth is a uh, public, sorry, default. First is the private access modifier. The level access level of private access modifier is only within the class, cannot be accessed from any outside the class. Second is the default, the class level of default access modifier only within the package, they cannot be accessed outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Next is the protected. The access level of protected access modifier within the package and outside the package through the child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. Next is the public. The public level of access modifier is within the class, within anywhere. It cannot access from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers in Java, such as the static, abstract, non-synchronized, native, volatile, transistor, etc. Here we are going to learn the non-access modifiers in Java only. The access modifier is accessible only within the class. The role of private constructor: if you make any class constructor private, you cannot be create the instance of the class, that class from the outside the class. Second is a default constructor. If you do not use any modifier, it can be treated as a default. By default is a default. The default access modifier is accessible only within the package, it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. Next is the protected access modifier is the accessible within the package and outside the package, but multiple inheritance only. In Java, access modifier help to restrict the scope of the class, constructor, variable and method or data member. It provides the security of accessibility, etc. To the user depending upon the access modifier used within the element. Let us learn about the access modifier. The type of access modifiers in Java. There are four types of access modifiers in Java available in Java. First, default, there is no keyword required. Second is the private, third is the protected, and fourth is the public. Default access modifier, where no access modifier is specified for a class, method and data member. It is said to be having the default access modifier by default. The data of member, class and object, that cannot be declared using the any access modifier, that is having default access modifier, are